Good morning students. In this video we are going to see package air conditioning system and central air conditioning system, their construction and working. आता आपण पहिल्या व्हिडिओमध्ये स्प्लिट विंडो एअर कंडिशनिंग सिस्टम अँड स्प्लिट एअर कंडिशनिंग सिस्टम बघितलं. सो इन लास्ट व्हिडिओ वी हॅव सीन द हाऊ विंडो एअर कंडिशनिंग सिस्टम वर्क्स, what are the components. After that, what are the limitations of window, why we should go for the split AC. Split AC, what are the components of split AC and how it works, where it is installed, the installed. Then advantages of split AC over window air conditioning system. Now third one is for unitary air conditioning system is a package air conditioning system. The name itself indicates the package air conditioning system. So all the components are fixed in a single pack. All the components are fixed in the single pack and fixed at one place, and cold air is supplied to the room through a duct. Now we'll see how it works. Here so here in this is an condenser, water cooled condenser is used. This is a compressor where hermetically sealed compressors or condensers are located in the cabinet. This is a packed unit which is located at the bottom. So the compressed केल्यानंतर high vapors which are compressed to the condenser, where water cooled condenser cell and tube condensers are used. Then liquid refrigerant which is passed to the here there is an strainer. Then it is passed to expansion device. Here there are thermostatic expansion valves are used, and this box is a evaporator box. After passing through the expansion, TE means thermostatic expansion valve. After passing through the expansion valve, these refrigerants are passed to the evaporator coils. Then here the filter is attached, where the fresh air, outside air gets filtered and passed through the evaporator coils. And when this air pass through evaporator coil, it gets cooled, and this cold air is sucked by this there is a duct and blower system. Here the motor and blowers are coupled with the help of fan belt, and through this duct the cold air is supplied to room. Are you getting? So here only difference is that all the components are fixed at one place, and the small ducts are used where this cold air is supplied to the room through a duct. It is located packaged air at the outside as I had shown here, and these are the various systems of the packaged air conditioning systems. Are you getting? And generally up to 3 ton to 20 ton capacity, the packaged air conditioning systems are used, and this air conditioning system is used in the banks, restaurants, and for the generally for cabinet purpose, for control systems, computer centers, control panel cooling purpose, this packaged air conditioning system is used. In packaged air conditioning system again consists all the components same as it is a compressor, it is a condenser, here there is an filter or strainer, then there is an expansion valve, then evaporator, and this cold air is sucked to the room through a blower. Are you getting? And this air is taken from the room, that some return air and fresh air is added, and it is passed over the evaporator coil. This cycle go on continuing. This is a packaged air conditioning system. Okay, now we'll move the second type, that is up till now we have discussed the unitary air conditioning system. All the air conditioning components are to be located in single unit, in a single box, single cabinet, so that it is called as unitary air conditioning system. In that, window air conditioner, split air conditioner, and package air conditioner. In window air conditioners are a small capacity from half ton to 2 tons you are getting available, and split air conditioning are also from 1 ton capacity to 3 ton capacities, where large capacity required up to 10 ton 20 tons we go for the package air conditioning systems. Where we required a large capacity of the plants, that is of 50 tons, 100 tons, 150 tons, 200 ton capacity, then we go for central air conditioning systems. Central air conditioners circulate cool air through a system of supply and return ducts. Supply ducts and resistors. So, resistors means what? Openings in the walls. What is resistors? Openings in the walls, floors or ceilings covered by grills. Carry cooled air from the air conditioner to the room. This cooled air becomes warm as it circulates through the room. Then it flows back to the central air conditioner through a return ducts and resistors and cooled again and supplied to room. In a central air conditioning systems, the vapor compression cycle, all the components, that is the evaporator, air handling unit, condensers, compressors, are located at one place, at center place, either at the basement or top of the building, and cold air is produced, and this cold air is supplied to the room through a supply ducts and resistors, grills in the room, and again through the grills this air is taken from the return up to the central air, again it is cooled and supplied to the room. This cycle go on continuing. Some ventilated air or the fresh air is added in this cold air to maintain the purity and quality of the air inside the room. So near about 70 to 80% air is recirculated, and 15 to 20% air is what? Fresh air is added in the that recirculated air for the maintaining the purity of the air. So now we'll discuss what are the types of central air conditioning system. Depending upon its arrangement, how the air is gets cooled. Direct expansion type central air conditioning plant. In direct expansion, simply it is called as DX system. Air is used for cooling the room or space is directly passed over the cooling coil of the refrigerant plant. As the vapor compression refrigeration cycle, whatever the evaporator coil refrigerant directly absorb the heat from the air to be cooled, and this cold air is supplied to the room. Regarding here, the refrigerant is directly circulated through the air handling unit, which absorb the heat, directly cool the air, and this air is supplied to the room. The second one is chilled water type central air conditioning plant. Here the refrigerant which is circulated through the evaporator absorb the heat from the water, and chilled water is produced 4 to 5 degrees Celsius, and this water is supplied to the AHU where it absorbs the heat from the air, and this hot water is again passed through the evaporator, and this there are two circuits. One is primary circuit, refrigerant which cool the water, and water cools the air. The heat from the air is taken by the water, and the heat from the water is taken by the refrigerant which is circulated in the evaporator. We'll discuss its this is a direct expansion type central air conditioner plants where the air conditioned space, here there is a primary circuit, DX expansion valve, compressor is there, then the filter is there, indoor air, mixing box, room air. Here it is a vapor compression cycle, and this is a circuit where the air is circulated through the room. Okay, सो एअर कंडिशनर स्पेसमधून रूम घेईल, म्हणजे रिटर्न डक्टमधून एअर येईल, सम इंडोर एअर म्हणजे आउटसाईड एअर त्याला मिक्स केल फिल्टरमधून जाईल, अँड इव्हॉपरेटर कॉईलमधून जाईल, आणि इव्हॉपरेटर कॉईलमधून मग काय जाणार आहे तो हीट म्हणजे तिथं थंड होईल, आणि हा थंड एअर परत व्हेरिएबल ड्राईव्ह ब्लोअरच्या सहाय्यानं रूमला पाठवलं जातं. सो या सर्किटमध्ये तुम्हाला काय आहे, इथं कॉम्प्रेसर आहे तुमचा, इथं एक्सपान्शन डायरेक्टली इव्हॉपरेटरमध्ये जे रेफ्रिजरंट आहे तो एअरमधून हीट ॲब्सॉर्ब केलं की तो वेपर होईल. दिस वेपर्स आर सक्ड बाय द कॉम्प्रेसर, कॉम्प्रेस केलं जाईल, परत तो कंडेन्सरला पाठवलं जाईल, मे बी एअर कूल्ड कंडेन्सर, वॉटर कूल्ड कंडेन्सर, वेअर द लिक्विड रेफ्रिजरंट अगेन पास थ्रू द एक्सपान्शन डिव्हाइस अँड पास टू evaporator. So here the evaporator directly absorb the heat from the air which is to be supplied to the room. म्हणून याला डायरेक्ट एक्सपान्शन टाइप सेंट्रल एअर कंडिशनर म्हणतात. ओके, Now we will see the chilled water type central air conditioning plant. In chilled water plant, the ordinary water or brine water solution chilled to very low temperature about 6 to 8 degrees Celsius by the refrigeration plant, and this chilled water is pumped to various floors. It is very easy to carry this chilled water to required AHU located at different floors, and with the help of this chilled water we have to cool the air, and this cold air is supplied to the each room on that floor, okay, which compresses the cooling coil, blower and ducts. AHU. The chilled water flows through the cooling coil. The blower absorbs return air from the air conditioned room that are to be cooled via the ducts. This air passes over the cooling coil and gets cooled and then is passed to the air conditioned space. And this is an arrangement of chilled water type central air conditioning plant. Here there is an evaporator, again vapor compression cycle. Here evaporator where this water comes, and it is saline tube type, generally evaporator. Water is gets cooled and this chilled water is supplied to the AHU, where by absorbing the heat from this water, the liquid vapor is converted into vapor. These vapors are sucked by the compressor and passed to condenser. Again here the condenser, saline tube type condenser, water cooled condenser is there, and this heat is supplied to this water. These waters are again passed to cooling tower where the heat is rejected to the air. हॉट एअर पास होतील इथं कूलिंग टॉवरमध्ये, आणि हे थंड पाणी परत आपण कंडेन्सरमध्ये सर्क्युलेट करू. मग इथं लिक्विड रेफ्रिजरंट जे बाहेर येणार आहे ते बाहेर एक्सपान्शन वॉलमध्ये जाईल आणि ड्रॉप ऑफ प्रेशर अँड टेम्परेचर परत तो इव्हॉपरेटरमध्ये जाईल. हा सायकल इथं रेफ्रिजरेशन सायकल विच इज लोकेटेड ॲट द बेसमेंट. आणि पंपच्या साहाय्यानं तुम्ही इथं वॉटर सर्क्युलेट करू, इव्हॉपरेटरमध्ये जाईल, तो चिल्ड वॉटर इकडे येणार, परत इथं AHUमध्ये हवेला जेव्हा तो थंड करेल, सो हिअर देर इज अन AHU आत जाईल, परत इथं हवेला थंड करेल आणि ते पाणी परत तो इव्हॉपरेटरमध्ये जाणार. इव्हॉपरेटरमधून जे हीट इथं घेतलेले आहे तो हीट इथं कूलिंग टॉवरमध्ये आपण कंडेन्सरच्या माध्यमातून बाहेर देणार आहे. आणि इथं जे थंड हवा तयार होणार आहे, दिस एअर इज सप्लाइड टू दी रूम थ्रू अ डक्ट, ब्लोअर अँड डक्ट. वेगवेगळ्या रूमला तुम्ही काय करणार आहे, सो दिस एअर इज सप्लाइड टू दी air conditioned space. So here the air which is to be cooled is not directly absorbed by the evaporator. इथं काय हवेला आपण पाण्याच्या साहाय्यानं थंड करायला लागलो आणि पाण्याला आपण इव्हॉपरेटरमध्ये थंड करायला लागलो. सो चिल्ड वॉटर टाईप सेंट्रल एअर कंडिशनिंग प्लांट. सो हिअर वी कॅन place AHU at any place and chilled water can be circulated. You can take with the help of pump through AHU. You have to circulate different air handling units at different floors. So if the multi-story buildings or shopping malls, big shopping malls, corporate offices, where this chilled water type central air conditioning plants are to be used. Okay.